Is your Chevy Cruze key fob unresponsive or difficult to open? The most likely cause is a dead CR2032 battery. These fobs, used in 2011 to 2016 models, rely on this battery to power the remote transmitter for locking, unlocking, and the panic alarm. A failing battery can prevent these functions. Also, if you live in a humid climate, check for corrosion on the battery contacts, as battery leakage is a growing issue. This DIY fix has a high success rate, saving you money compared to dealership service. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and a new CR2032 battery, available for a few dollars online or at auto parts stores. Carefully insert the screwdriver into the seam at the key ring end of the fob and gently pry it open. Avoid metal tools to prevent scratches. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation, positive side up. Insert the new battery in the same way and press firmly. Snap the case back together and test the remote functions. If it still doesn't work, try reprogramming the fob by turning the ignition to on-off 3 times. If corrosion is present, clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol before inserting the new battery. If problems persist, consult a professional to rule out circuit board damage. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly.